everyone, I hope you're doing great. I'm Laura Boucher and this is my show All Up in Your Melon. I'm going to be making the easiest, just simplest thing that will just level up your salads or your parties. So what I'm making is candied pecans. So simple. I have pecans, I have butter, I have salt, and I have brown sugar. And that's it. That's all you need. Once they're done, I'm gonna make a quick salad that's delicious. And you just need like a frying pan and a wooden spoon. Just throw the ingredients in, basically caramelize the nuts, coat them in a yummy, delicious topping. So follow me to the stove. The pan is on medium heat. I'm gonna put in about half a tablespoon of butter, about a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a few dashes of salt because I am using unsalted butter. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Seems to be a little bit hot. Now I'm gonna throw in 1 cup of pecans. And you can use any nuts. You can see they're coated and glossy. I'm gonna let them saute for a minute or two. Smells so good. So see how they're starting to get a little color on them? This means they're pretty much done. You just want to turn them off now and mix them a little bit. Oh shoot, they're burning. They're starting to burn, so take them off the heat. Please no, don't take your eyes off these pecans for a second. I went to get some parchment paper. They started to burn. They burned so quickly. Oh my god. They're so good though. This took me 4 minutes. 4 minutes to candy these pecans. Just a nice little sweetness. And you can do this with any nut. So a few options with these nuts. You can put them in a nice little dish and serve them as little party nuts. Look how cute this looks. Couldn't be easier. You know what? I might put a little more salt in them. They could be a little saltier, but and I mean, whatever you make, you could just do like cayenne, you could do cumin, you could do like a little Spanish inspired nuts, like whatever you do, it's gonna be good. But what I'm gonna do with them today, I'm gonna make a little quick salad. So I cut up some strawberries, probably some lettuce. Fun fact about the lettuce, so you keep, I didn't do it this time, but you keep a paper towel in here and you leave it upside down in your fridge. And it will stay for like another week and they'll all be like crunchy, yummy pieces of lettuce. I started doing that and it's amazing. So put some strawberries on the salad. Yum. And you can do tomatoes too. And then I'll put the nuts. The more the better. These are like instead of croutons. I always like nuts on my salad. And then I have some gorgonzola. Goat cheese is also great with strawberries and nut salads. I love gorgonzola. It's basically like a milder blue cheese. For the most part, I don't know, I'm sure there's ranges of gorgonzola and the cheeses. I mean, the salad is pretty perfect the way it is, but you can also put some poppy seed or poppy seed dressing would be delicious on this, but I just have some traditional aged balsamic vinegar, and it's just like drizzle a little bit on. So now you get a bite, strawberry, pecan, lettuce. It just makes your salad like just a slightly bit better. Go the extra mile and you're like, okay, I could eat this salad almost every day. And you know, you might not say a lot about salads. I recently made a prosciutto gorgonzola fig salad. That was delicious as well. You can really make good salads. It's not so hard. I'm gonna finish having lunch, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video and we'll make some candied nuts for your next party or your next salad. Thank you for watching. Bye.